Air Canada 459, Charlie 4 and Delta 4, contact 1219.
Charlie 4, Delta 4, over to ground, ground 459.
Summing 9080, contact 128 decimal 8.
128, thank you, bye-bye, timing 9080.
Parallel Encore 3405, clear to the ILS 24 right, crossing north.
Encore 3405, South Tower, good evening, wind is 1405, your number 2, following the 37, 1 mile, final, clear to land, runway 24 right.
Clear land, runway 24 right, Encore 3405.
Air Canada 268, ILS 24 right. Air Canada 268, San Jose, good evening, wind is 1406, your number 2, following the Dash-8, 3 miles, final, clear to land, runway 24 right. Clear land 24 right, Air Canada 268. Delta 2833, San Jose, good evening, line up runway 23.
Line up runway 23, Delta 2833. Toronto Tower, low, Flair 134 is with you, just about half a mile back from NOAA.
Flair 134, San Jose, good evening, wind 1406, your number 2, following the 320, half mile, final, clear to land, runway 24 right.
Clear land 24 right, number 2, Flair 134 right.
Encore 3477, San Jose, good evening, wind 1507, your number 2, following 37, final, clear to land, runway 24 right.
Number 2, clear to land, Encore 3477.
Air Canada 720, contact departure 128 decimal negative.
Air Canada 720.
Tower, Air Canada 002 Heavy with you, and final 248. Air Canada 002 Heavy, Toronto Tower, good evening, the wind is 1405, your number 2, following the Q400, 1 mile, final, clear to land, runway 24 right. Number 2, clear to land, 24 right, Air Canada 002.
Tower Skybase 068 coming up NOAA.
Skybase 068, San Jose, good evening, wind 1406, clear to land, runway 24 right.
Clear land 24 right, Skybase 068.